All right, let's make some espresso. I'm going to fill the carafe to the 4-cup line. Next, twist off the cap for the water reservoir and pour the water into the tank. For best results, use medium to fine espresso grounds. Pack it in, as this ensures consistent results and better flavor. Place the brew head and simply turn to lock into position. Place the cover on the carafe and align the lid under the nozzle. Turn the knob to espresso, and it'll take a few minutes to heat up and brew. For a fancier coffee experience, you can easily turn your espressos into a cappuccino. Simply fill your pitcher with cold milk, place directly under the steam wand, and turn to steam. The steam wand quickly warms and froths milk so you can easily turn plain espresso into a latte or cappuccino. To prepare a cappuccino, simply pour in 1/3 cup of espresso with an equal part of warm milk, and then top off with foam. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher safe parts, so you can get back to doing what's important.